Hello everybody. So today I'm going to be testing one specific alarm, which is this thingy up here. This. I have no idea what make and model it is. Oh wait, it's a Simplex. I'm stupid. But yeah, I just remembered that it's a Simplex, but I don't know what model it is. But yeah, we'll be making a video about that alarm today on how it sounds and stuff, just the sounds of it. So if you're wondering why I have this Radio Shack 258 box here, I'm gonna be placing the alarm onto the box because the wire I have for it is very short, so I have to have it sitting on top of my panel or else it won't go anywhere else because the wire on it is so short that it's like it can't go anywhere else. So it has to sit on top of the panel or it has to sit on top of this box right here, which I'll be placing the alarm on that box. Anyway, let's get started. So I'm going to be plugging in my fire alarm panel, disabling NAC 1, which has my other alarms connected to it, and NAC 2 has just this alarm that we'll be testing today. It'll have it's just that inside of NAC 2. So I'll be disabling NAC 1 so I could do a video on just that. So let's plug in the panel. There we go. Open up the panel. Disable NAC 1. If it lets me. Don't know if it's disabled or not. I'm trying to figure this out 1 minute. Why is it flash them too? I don't know. I think it's disabled. I'm not sure though. But let's place the alarm on top of the 12-258 box. There we go with that. And I'm going to be putting on my ear protection. Let's get the camera pointed towards the alarm. Zoom in a little bit. Like that. Okay. So, where the heck did my ear protection go? There it is. Okay. Hopefully my other alarms do not go off for this, but if they do, then I guess I'll have to take them out of NAC 1. Okay, so let's pull the position. 3, 2, 1. Okay, the panels are set, taking off my ear protection. Okay, now let's put the alarm back where it goes. Up there, move the 258 box back where it goes into my closet. And let's close up the panel. Oh crap, I think that the NAC 1 is still disabled. You enabled yet? There we go. Thank you everyone for watching, and if you want more fire alarm content like this, I guess tell me in the comments and I'll make more of it, I guess. Yeah. So there's how that alarm sounds, if you guys are wondering. So, yeah. If you want more content like this, subscribe, I guess, because I'll probably be making it of my other alarms up there. And yeah, thank you guys for watching if you've watched all of this. Bye.